everyone. So I've been attending the King's Church since I was 7 days old. So therefore I've always been aware of the Christian faith, and I made the decision to trust in God myself at age 7 after a Christian camp, a bit like Chris. Fast forwarding a bit now, I remember back in our lockdown services online, and Nick was preaching a message about Jesus calming the storm, and it was a message about how we need to stop following our own plans in life and just trusting God's plan. And I remember at this time being really impacted by this. But time went on and I continued to follow my own plans, or at least I tried to continue to follow my own plans. But when it came to my plan to go to another uni was not followed, and instead God's plan for me to go to Exeter was. And several more times during uni, God's plan, rather than my own, has been followed, such as picking my accommodation and what church I ended up going to. And my faith has really grown and solidified during my time at Exeter. So when discussions with my parents on a baptism service here at King's came up, I felt it was time to just stop following my own plan, which was to wait for the perfect time to get baptised, which is just never going to come, and to take the opportunity that God had provided me to get baptised here today. So I've accepted Jesus as my Lord and Saviour, and his sacrifice and his love means so much to me. So I just want to be baptised today as a visual declaration of my faith.